Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Canva tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to use dark mode in Canva. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open my browser and here I am already on Canva and logged into my profile. To switch to dark mode in Canva, I now click on my profile in the top right corner and select Settings. Here I scroll down until I reach the Themes. I now have the option to switch from light mode to dark mode. Alternatively, I can also synchronize this option with my system. This makes sense if I want to manage this function centrally in one place and also do this with other programs. In this case, however, dark mode is the right setting for me. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.